man. One more day upon the farm again, you know? Yeah man. Cause them are coming now. Yeah man, them are last set of the plants out. Yeah. Cause they coming now. Yeah man, them are first set of my plant out as you can see. Yeah man. A nice 300 roots of corn, you know? Yeah man. You can see now again. Me just done chop out the little place I know. Yeah man. I go burn it. Man, drop our next 100 more root in the line there.